At nagbabalik ang Letters and Music. Mga ka-soundtrip, sa pagkakataong ito ay makakwentuhan naman natin ng isa sa ating dalawang bisita ngayong episode. Sabay-sabay nating welcome dito sa Letters and Music, si Ethan Lucas. That's all. Welcome. Hi, Ethan.
Hello, nice to be here. Thank you for having me.
Yes, so welcome to Letters and Music, syempre, no, dahil kasama ka na namin ngayong hapon. So let's get this opportunity para makamusta ka namin. Kamusta ka ngayon, Ethan? At ano bang pinagkakaabalahan ng isang Ethan ngayon?
Eto naman, music pa rin. Ito, office. Magawa ng music, experimenting. So, gano'n. Living the dream.
Yes, so sana all, 'di ba? And yung experimenting talagang malayo ang mapupunta niyan, lalo when it comes to music. Maari mo bang maibahagi sa amin ang patungkol sa iyong original composition na Someone Like You?
The idea came to me when I was performing the stage and I saw a woman on the audience. Tapos yun, meron talagang so attractive na parang siya lang yung bright na star sa buong galaxy.
Uy!
So, doon ko nakuha yung idea. Right.
Parang gusto ko agad mag-follow-up question eh. Nung nakita mo yung tao na yon, how was it? I mean, nagkakilala ba kayo? Or is there any interaction that happened nung moment na yon?
Yes. Bigay ma-
Okay.
So, naging asawa ko talaga siya. Yeah.
Yun! Feeling ko maraming makaka-relate dyan. Talagang dumarating sa moment na meron tayong makikitang tao na sabi nila may slow-mo moment yun eh. Tapos biglang parang yung tao na yun, siya lang yung gusto makita. At merong konting spark, di ba? At saka lumiliwanag yung tao. Oh, cute naman. So, yun pala ang story behind that. And napakaganda ng story. At talagang relate ka doon. And for sure, marami makaka-relate dyan. At ang ganda na original, no? From the experience, you made that song. Ano nga bang inspiration mo, no? Sa pagpasok mo sa industriya ng entertainment? Lalo na sa music at sa pagiging song or singer-songwriter mo?
Well, I actually started as a singer talaga. Nag-link na ako ng song. I was trained by my friends, both music and instrument. Tapos, yun, 2011, I tried to write song. And ano lang, parang improve lang. Doon ko nakuha yung inspiration to continue rap. So, most of my inspirations nakuha ko sa mga experiences, personal experiences ng ibang tao, and also sa movies din na papanood ko doon ko na parang time story ng kanta. Ganun.
Yes, alam mo, magandang magandang bagay na yung inspiration mo sa paggawa ng songs and everything, di ba? Lalo sa industry nito, is yung inspiration mo sa sarili mo, yung kwento mo, tapos you get to know people and you get their stories too, and you're able to share it with the world. At talagang, for sure, magpapatuloy-tuloy talaga yan as long as yung mga stories na is coming from the heart and coming from the stories of other people. Maraming makaka-relate doon. Ay, more songs and more inspiration to come. Mayroon ka bang dream collaboration? Or like, syempre, parte ng iyong journey is you're definitely you'll be able to meet famous artists and singers. Probably meron din possibly meron din mga singers na katulad mo na talaga nag-experiment sila with their genre, or I don't know if you've encountered them already. If ever, meron kang dream collaboration, sino-sino bang mga artist ang gusto mo maka-collaborate?
Sa akin naman kahit sino. Pwede naman naman collaborate kahit so we can get. So, pero I would love to collaborate with Rico Blanco. Sino pa ba? So yeah, yun lang muna.
Oo, no, na isa ring napaka lalim pagdating sa awitin. Inisip ko tuloy, no, yung awitin mo talagang ang lalalim nilang lahat. And with your experimentation and with your stories that you've shared with us, for sure ay talagang magugustuhan ng ating mga ka-Soundtrip fan. And with that, Ethan, no, this is your opportunity now to share with the world your social media accounts. No, invite mo sila to support your journey and saan ka ba nila pwedeng mapanood at saan ka nila pwedeng ma-follow at ma-subscribe. Go!
Okay. You can follow me guys social media accounts on Facebook, Instagram, ano pa X, dating Twitter, sa TikTok, meron din akong Ethan Lucas. Just search my name, Ethan Lucas. And of course, on my YouTube channel, I'm posting stuff there. And Spotify, search my name, Ethan Lucas. Songs there, and cover songs. You guys might check out.
Yes, mga ka-Soundtrip, supportahan natin si Ethan Lucas sa kanyang mga social media at sa kanyang music journey. At ngayon, excited na ang lahat para mapakinggan ang pinag-uusapan nating kanta na naibahagi nga kanina ni Ethan na ang cute, no? And napakagandang storya. To perform its latest single, ang Someone Like You. Naritong muli, si Ethan Lucas. Enjoy, mga ka-Soundtrip!